gripping rescue mission, 11 medical students who lost their way during a trekking expedition in the dense forests of Ballalarayana Durga located in Mudigere, taluk of Chikkamagaluru district, were successfully found and brought back to safety. The group, comprising 5 boys and 5 girls from Basaveshwara Medical College in Chitradurga, had booked their trek via Ballalarayana Durga and set off through the Bandaje Falls route. However, unfamiliarity with the terrain caused them to lose their way and get stranded deep within the forest. A coordinated search operation was launched by the police, local residents, and forest department officials. After nearly 6 hours of relentless efforts, the students were finally traced. The rescue team included noted individuals like Snake Arif, Santosh Attigere, and Sanjay, who continued the search late into the night until around 2 a.m. The students were safely escorted out of the forest. Grateful for the timely intervention, they extended heartfelt thanks to the police and all local rescuers involved in the life-saving mission.